And this is basically to show you roughly and quickly how to add numbers quickly in a row or in a column. So I've just opened a blank sheet of a worksheet in Excel. So I'm gonna do numbers. So all I'll do is just 1, 2, 3, 4, and to save time, what you could do is highlight the 1, 2, and 3, and 4. See this plus sign, highlight it, keep your finger on it or your mouse and just drag it across to how far you want it. As you can see, there's numbers on each column, and if you deselect or unselect, it will actually create those numbers for you, and you can carry on doing it as long as and as far as you need to as possible. But that was for columns, and I'm going to show you how to do it on the rows or going down the column. So I've got one there. I'm just going to put 2, 3. If you can do up to 2, 3, that would be great. So you select them, see the little plus sign in the corner, keep your finger on the mouse and just drag it down as far as you want to go, release it, and you can actually get the numbers there. So let's just save your time, and it's a quick way of doing it. So thank you for listening.